Hello, I'm Hyungjung Lee. I'm from Korea. I'm currently working on online game platform as a platform developer. I'm mainly developing related to game promotion. We are going to talk about our previous promotion using Deeplink and if program. And then I talk about how to improve our previous promotion. So the agenda is first that I want to introduce about concept of Deeplink briefly, and I introduce some type of promotion using Deeplink in line game platform. Last, I want to talk about integration Deeplink and implement Deferred Deeplink, which is the solution to the problem of our previous promotion. So I really hope that you can get some insight about Deeplink from this session. Okay, this picture is concept of Deeplink. Deeplink can open another app from active web. So Deeplink represents such an address like this web link. Because Deeplink can transition to another app, it's often used for advertising and game for CPU and IO event. So line game platform create promotion template called as reward URL using Deeplink. Reward URL is publish some web link to each game user, and then user open link in browser. After user click on Deeplink button, so game is launched from Deeplink contains some cookie value. After game to check cookie value, game requests reward to line game platform server. Finally, user can be received event reward. Simply watch the video. If user click a button, game will launch. After game loaded, user can confirm item in item box. This type of promotion can avoid that Apple's private policy about coupon, so reward URL also used as advanced reservation event. And reward URL was used in Poco and etc. line games. But reward URL had several problems, such as this presentation. First, sometimes Deeplink did not working. Second, Deeplink was not working, that app not installed situation. Last, we didn't know why we had this problem and why user's problem occurred which step. So we were digging why you had this problem. So now I will explain each reason. First, reason of Deeplink not working is various type of mobile environment. As well as OS like Android, iOS, for the more OS version, even browser, and more even each app has different format of Deeplink. So line game platform have to cope with all type of Deeplink for successful promotion event. Second, Deeplink only work when app installed in user's mobile phone. When app not installed case, user should move to market. Because this situation is asynchronous, Deeplink do not find the destination immediately. So after app installed, application also do not find Deeplink information, so application can't request reward to line game platform server. For various reasons, we thought we have to solve this problem, and we decide 3 topics for next generation of reward URL. Topics are each of integration Deeplink, tracking installed app, and tracking user step. And we hope totally covered all of Deeplink promotion as well as reward URL in line game platform. So we make a product called as TrackIt for this goal. Okay, let's talk about integrating of Deeplink in TrackIt. As I said earlier, mobile environment have various type of Deeplink, and they have different shape of format each other. The representative Deeplink is URL scheme. This is oldest format of Deeplink and most general type of Deeplink. Format is like this. And URL scheme supported by iOS and Android commonly. But nowadays, iOS and Android have separated Deeplink by OS support. Each of name is universal link and mlink. These Deeplink have HTTPS scheme, so they have essentially unique property. Android Chrome browser have a special format of Deeplink itself, called as Android indent. Last, Facebook Deeplink use URL scheme, but must register URL scheme to Facebook admin page. I summarized each Deeplink environment as table for understanding easily. As you can see, no Deeplink will work all environment. So I will show how to use Deeplink in order in TrackIt. In inventory, user to click a button that contains TrackIt web link. In inventory can be a browser, mail app, or Twitter. First, operation system automatically confirm this link is supported universal link or mlink. If working well, an app installed case, application will launch successfully. Or this dim link working not properly, not working case, and app not installed case, trackit move user to landing page of trackit. And contained JavaScript module check user statement itself. If user state Android Chrome browser, trackit try Android indent. And likewise, app installed case, trackit execute application, likewise. And iOS indent not working case, and iOS environment, trackit try URL scheme. Likewise, app will successfully when app installed case. If URL scheme occurred timeout exception, finally trackit move user to market application. Next, I will introduce implementing deferred dim link. First, we should know about concept of deferred dim link. Deferred dim link is concept to complement the problem of dim link. Like I said at the beginning, dim link do not working in app not installed case. So deferred dim link is that execute dim link after app installed. Literally deferred dim link. There are many ways to complement deferred dim link. Most popular architecture is like this. Very simple thing. Before execute market app, save user's information to somewhere, and after app being installed, re-access to somewhere for information saved. But difficult point is where to save and what save. Fortunately, Android OS supports deferred dim link as officially. Service name called as Google Play Referrer. How to use is very simple. You just add dim link as query param after marking URL like this. And you should add receiver code to Android application. If you do this, you will receive information after installation. But Google Play Referrer only supports market application. It does not support market web browser. So trackit supports another way for cover web case. This way introduced later. As opposed to Android, unfortunately, iOS not support deferred dim link officially. So trackit use tricky method to support deferred dim link in iOS environment. iOS 9 and below have special property shared cookie storage. Using this property, trackit save dim link to share cookie storage. And after installation, trackit access web share cookie storage from invisible web view and get dim link value. But this method works only iOS 9 and below. So trackit implements a special module to handle all iOS and Android environment. First, we should detect user who will newly install the app. Using JavaScript module, trackit detect user device property as possible as. And calculate hash contained CPU, user agent, IP, graphic driver hash, WebGL, fingerprint, etc. Trackit use this hash value as a user identifier and save user dim link to server with this identifier. After installation, trackit access to invisible web view and recalculate device hash using JavaScript module. Last, trackit server match user's identifier and return dim link before saved. Using all the methods I mentioned earlier, we are tracking user as follow. This graph is an indicator of past CPU promotion that occurred during the day. Trackit track information about impression, click, installation, and starting app. This is trackit supported title. Many other games are also supported. Thank you for watching.